that all of you are doing great. Well, right now we are seeing one of the biggest turmoils in the history of Bitcoin. And it's not that these crashes have not happened in the past. Yes, 2018 the crashes has happened. The one of the like from $19,000 Bitcoin went till $3,000. Even earlier in after 2013 bull run, the big crash happened. And right now, again the same story is repeating. Like we are at 20, we just touched $20,000 right now, sitting at $21,000. The altcoins decimated. But here I'm going to show you some of the facts within from the charts, from the history, from the rational perspective, removing all the emotions that has covered our minds, so that we can see the things rationally. And then what is the strategy that is going to make us, going to be the most beneficial for us. And in fact, like, you will understand that these are the times, one of the best times for the people to actually make it big in the crypto. Because when the bull run is already there, you are already having so much of the price inflated that from there, the risk is very high. But at this point of time, the risk is very low. And rationally, we will be thinking what all are the possible scenarios and how do you get the maximum benefit. I'm going to show you from the past and from the future. Just imagine 2.5 years down the line you're sitting. That is 2024 December. The next halving has occurred already by mid of 2024. December of 2024, what do you think the price of the Bitcoin might be at that time? I'm not talking about mini bull runs that might come in between. I'm talking the worst case scenario. Let's say nothing happens in between, but still after halving, what do you expect? Obviously, we all agree to the fact that Bitcoin obviously would not be hovering around here, right? Bitcoin would be on the way to breaking the previous all-time high. Like it will be $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. You do not know, but it will be on the next path of the next bull run. $70,000, $80,000, on the way to cross $100,000. What would be our thought process at that time? The same thought process, like when the altcoins would be running, the best of the technology would be running at that time. Like they would already have done 10x, 20x at that time. What would be our thought that time? That wish we could have another bear market, just the way we were thinking. Like if I try to zoom out the chart on a weekly time frame, at these point of times, a lot of people were just wishing that wish we just get back to these times. Then I would have invested into those life-changing altcoins, the best of the technology, so I could have enjoyed that 200x, 300x. But let me tell you guys, investing at this point of time, the depressing, the bear market, the crash is happening, the 2020 crash is happening. It really feels like today. Like it really feels, your gut is in disgust, disbelief, fear around, FUD around, and everything is against your decision at that time. This is how it feels. The reason I'm telling you all this is that we make the decision rationally. Now I'm going to show you one of the coins. Let's say Matic. Like Matic has the, I'm very much fond of Matic, and right now it is trading at 40 cents. It went down as below as 36 cents. And I believe personally, Matic has a partnership with the Instagram. Just imagine, like the Instagram NFT has partnered with Matic, like 1 billion users. 1 billion users have not even entered the entire crypto market. Matic has got the partnership with it. So I value Matic at least at $100 billion market cap. Even in the current condition, that is $10. In the next bull run, I expect it at least cross that mark. Like we are talking 30x from here. This is what I'm expecting, and I'm choosing the conservative coin, which I'm definitely sure is going to survive this bear market. I'm not choosing a lot of coins which might even do 200x, 300x. I'm choosing this coin because this has so much adoption already. Now, if you try to go in the past of Matic, like if I just open the weekly chart, just imagine during the last crashes when those, really sad feelings, the depressing feelings happened, what was the price it was trading on? 1 cent, 0.05 cents, 10 cents, 2 cents, 4 cents, right? But when the bull run came, a lot of people were just calculating, what if I would have invested, like let's say $10,000 over here, it would have been converted into, $10,000 would have been converted into $1.5 million at this point of time. But guess what? To invest in dollar cost average, because you never know, it might fall further, it might go up, it might, when the bull run is going to come, a lot of FUDs around, a lot of like uncertainty around. And that is the point. Like looking back, what you should have done is dollar cost average. Try to accumulate with every dip. Accumulate every dip. And it's not that you make a random decision. You should have written down, let's say it is at 1 cent that I'm going to accumulate. Let's say, somebody has a budget of $5,000, $6,000. He would have thought, okay, I will be accumulating $2,000 of Matic from here. And if it falls further, like another 30%, like it gets to 0.7 cents, what I'm going to do is I'm going to invest another $2,000. And if it goes to 0.5 cents in the worst case, and I'm going to another invest all in then. Guess what? If it doesn't fall that way, you are in profit. If it goes up, you're in profit. If it goes down, you still invest more. And you stick to that plan. Guess what would have happened? Over a period of time, that patience would have paid, that bull run would have made that those 200x's, 300x's that we are talking about. And so is the time right now. Obviously, it's not that the bear market is going to end tomorrow or probably is going to end next week or within 2 weeks. It is going to take a lot of time from here. But guess what? This is a very, very good buying zone. We do not know whether 20,000 is the bottom. In my opinion, 16,000 approximately should be the bottom, or even wick down to $13,000 or $12,000 of Bitcoin. So in that case, what would be the worst case scenario? I can make a strategy that, okay, at 40 cents, probably I'm going to invest, let's say I have a budget of $5,000, special budget, because I want to accumulate till the next bull. And this is the preparation for the next bull market. I'm not expecting a short-term return. I'm expecting to see what is my return by 2024 December, or probably by 2025, right? 2.5 years later. So what I make a strategy, maybe I'll be putting 30% right now and then waiting. If it goes to 30 cents, then I'm going to put another 30 cents, 30%. If it goes to 25 cents or like 20 cents, I'm going to put. And I do not think it will go below 20 cents. And if it goes like it's a just accumulation point, it goes to 10 cents, it's a free Matic. You just go and grab as much as you want. But the point here is to dollar cost. Maybe this is the bottom. You might be just hovering from here, 45 to 50 cents in between there. You invest something and then you accumulate it over a period of time till the bear market comes. Till the bear market gets over. You just enjoy this accumulation period and do not expect the return. And that's when you would enjoy the next leg up, which I believe is going to cross $10, $15, or, that's like, I'm talking about $100 billion market cap, but that's what it's valued. So this is the right time, guys, because, this was the risky time. This was the time when the risk, you would have been taking the risk, but not at this point of time. Like, this is the time. How low further can you go? Every time it goes further, it is another opportunity to accumulate. So try to think rationally, make a plan. How much are you going to accumulate? And then when are you going to cash out? When are you expecting it to return? What are the technologies that you believe in? So again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below. What do you feel about the market, current market? What do you feel about the accumulation? What is your strategy? I would like to hear from each one of you guys. That's it for the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.